Hey Scots, I'm Karen Santana Cortez.
And I'm Ian Aguila.
Welcome to Scots Weekly. Highland Springs Musical, The Addams Family, are coming up on November 29 through December 1st.
Formal bids go on sale in December. Don't be left out. Make sure you have your debt cleared. Not sure if you owe debt? Go to the finance office or check kern.graceup.com. You must have a current Highland ID card.
Go into hhsnews.com now to read the latest articles about what's happening around Highland High School.
Campus life is a positive place where students can go have fun with friends, talk about relevant issues, and be heard without judgment. Campus life meets every Tuesday, both during lunch and in room 11B.
Now it's time for a lip sync battle.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's get off.
I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out, spaced out and losing all control.
Fill up my cup, Mazel tov. Look at her dancing, just take it off. Let's paint the town, we'll shut it down. Let's burn the roof,
And then we'll do it again.
let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, and do it.
Hey Scots, I'm Isabel Clegg. It's time for Avid's College of the Week. This week our school is Cal Poly San Luis Obispo. Fact 1. The campus motto, Learn by Doing, describes a strong commitment to experiential education and hands-on learning. Fact 2. Cal Poly SLO is best known for its competitive engineering and agricultural programs. And Fact 3. 95% of graduates are employed or are moving on to grad school within 9 months of graduation. That's it for now, Scots. Have a great Thanksgiving break, teachers and staff members. Now let's get back to the studio.
Welcome back, Scots.
Now we have information about sports with Christian.
Hey Scots, I'm Christian. Here are some sport events that are happening today and tomorrow. JV girls wrestling at Highland. Frost-Off boys basketball at Independence. Varsity girls basketball at Frontier. Varsity and JV boys basketball at Cal City. JV boys wrestling at Highland. JV boys basketball at Arvin. Frost-Off boys basketball at Independence. And varsity girls basketball at Frontier. Good luck to all the Highland athletes and have a great Thanksgiving break.
Thank you, Christian.
These students participated in Teen City Government Day. They won awards from the Optimist, and they got the opportunity to job shadow different government jobs in Bakersfield. At the end of the day, they went to CSUB for a campus tour. Plaid up, Scots.
Now let's see what students and staff members are thankful here at Highland.
What's up, Low Gang? Today's video, what are we doing? We're gonna be asking what we're thankful for. I'm thankful for myself.
My friends and family.
My family and my wonderful girlfriend. I'm thankful for Mr. T and teaching me a lot of stuff.
I'm thankful for my loving family and sometimes my
Yes, food. So much food. I cannot wait for Thanksgiving. That's what I'm thankful for.
I'm very thankful for my two friends named Josh and Zach. I love them. They're cool.
I'm thankful for my friends and for Giselle.
I'm thankful for Arrow Meek bringing that cake for my friend Paris. Hey, Paris! I'm thankful
for my mom.
I'm grateful for everyone that's been in my life, really, my friends, my family, and everyone that's been there for me throughout all my 4 years.
I'm thankful for my friends.
I'm thankful for my friend Nathaniel right there. He's great.
I'm thankful for Miss
My husband, my children, my grandchildren, great-grandchildren. I am thankful for my health, my job, and the beautiful children that I work amongst.
Thank you, Elijah, for the great video.
Remember, Scots, enjoy your Thanksgiving break with your family and friends. Plaid up.